Sahih Al-Bukhari 3326, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho wasallam said, Allah created Adam alaihi salam, making him 60 cubits tall. When he created him, he said to him, go and greet that group of angels and listen to their reply, for it will be your salutations of your offspring. So Adam alayhi salam said to the angels, Assalamu alaikum, i.e. peace be upon you. The angels said, Assalamu alayka wa rahmatullahi, i.e. peace and Allah's mercy be upon you. Thus the angels added to Adam's salutation the expression wa rahmatullahi. Any person who will enter paradise will resemble Adam alayhi salam in appearance and figure. People have been decreasing in stature since Adam's creation. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3327, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, the first group of people who will enter paradise will be glittering like the full moon, and those who will follow them will glitter like the most brilliant star in the sky. They will not urinate, relive nature's spit, or have any nasal secretion. Their combs will be of gold, and their sweat will smell like musk. The aloes wood will be used in their centers. Their views will be orange. All of them will look alike and will resemble their father Adam alayhi salam in stature, 60 cubits tall. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.